everybody, it's Jennifer. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here or just stopping by, hi, hello, welcome. You should totally subscribe. So yeah, I collect my trash. That sounds so very wrong, but I do collect my trash to show you guys. I have not done one of these videos in a hoppin' minute. And my poor mini trash can, I swear it's not just a big white bucket, like it has a lid and everything. My little trash can is overflowing. I have products that wouldn't fit. It's a whole thing. So let's go on and jump into the video. If you enjoy it while you're watching, please give it a big thumbs up down below and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for new videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. I struggle speaking. Words are hard. Let's get the big things out of the way. Most of this stuff is gross because it's beauty products, which are mostly creams and liquids. And some of it's just nasty. So I have two of my hair color that I use. I use the L'Oreal Feria Power Red in Intense Medium Auburn. And girl, my roots are out. I need to redo them. My scalp is bright red because I'm testing out shit for a new video. Upcoming. Subscribe if you don't want to miss it. So I do use those. That hair color, it's like $10. It does magical things to my hair. My mom uses it in deep auburn because she is a classier lady than I, and she does not want very, very bright red hair. I know my hair doesn't look very bright on camera because I'm indoors under false lighting, but you know, if you've been here for a while and you've seen some of my vlogs or my home remodeling videos where we're like outside actually doing stuff, this shit is like red. Okay, so anyway, I love those. They're like $10. They're drugstore. They're fabulous. I've been using them every time my hair is red. That's the color I use. So yeah, next, totally recommend those. I have one of my shampoos. I use Not Your Mother's Way to Grow Long and Strong shampoo. If I could say one more time, I'm probably going to say it 200 more times in this video, but still, SARS. This is my favorite shampoo. I also use the coordinating conditioner, but I don't use the conditioner that often because most of the time I'm using like the conditioner that comes in hair colors or a hair mask. But still, these are fabulous. I think they're like $5 a piece. I've been using it for years. If you didn't know, I made a boo-boo in 2015 and I literally hacked my hair off, and I mean off. It was like, okay, I'll insert a picture here somewhere. It was not a good look for me, and I am naturally blonde, and I was trying to strip the red out of my hair, and I ended up just bleaching it over and over and over and over. Not good. I've learned better ways to get the red out of my hair since then. Ever since I chopped off my hair, I have been using this shampoo. Does it actually help my hair to grow faster? Does it make it healthier and stronger? I don't know. I like the way it smells. I like the way it makes my hair look and feel. It's fabulous, and it is sulfate, paraben, and dye-free. So, important things you should know. Also, I live for this sweater. It's just super cute. It's actually, it's a little, well, son of a gun. It's a little hoodie. Well, that's cute. It is a hoodie, but I'm a tall girl, and it is literally like a crop top on me, and I'm fat and not comfortable enough with my body to wear a crop sweater, so it is strictly a filming sweater now that we're into the winter. I have one of the Dr. Teal's foamy bath with coconut oil. This is lovely. I have a giant soaker tub. You should watch one of my home tours or cleaning videos or any of those videos like that where I show my house, because I got a big old giant soaker tub, and between James and I, this is a giant bottle. We run through this. I already have like 2 more. I love using this because it gets really good bubbles, but it also has that coconut oil in it, so it really helps to soothe and moisturize my skin because I am ashy. Okay, I'm a very, very dry person. My hair is dry, my skin is dry, my everything is dry. So that coconut oil really helps me. It helps James. We love to just sit and soak. It's lovely. I recommend. And this giant thing is like $5. It's 34 fluid ounces. It's a very large bottle. I have one of the Aussie Headstrong Volume hairsprays. What can I say? It's hairspray. I don't really have a favorite hairspray. I literally just buy whatever I focus on first. I do have an Aussie one right now that I'm using, but it's not this one. It's in an even bigger can. So this is fine and everything. I really just use hairspray to keep my little baby hairs down, and then like if I braid like the front of my hair back or something, I use it to help the braid, but I really don't use hairspray that often. Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. This is literally my like oldest, favoritist drugstore moisturizer. I have used this moisturizer on and off since probably middle school, maybe high school. I don't know. I've used it for a very, very long time, at least 10 years. And I love it. It moisturizes my very dry skin, and it has salicylic acid in it, which helps with acne. I feel like I'm too bright. Am I too bright? Let's turn it down. Is this better? I feel like this lighting's better. I have a Pure Silk shave cream. I use the raspberry scent. If I don't use this exact shave cream, I get a coconut oil one for dry, sensitive skin, because once again, I'm ashy and dry and skanky. Yeah, this was fine. It helped me to shave my legs. How do you review shaving cream? What? Let me fix the bottle a little bit. This is the Freeman polishing gel mask and scrub. It's the charcoal and black sugar. This is literally my favorite exfoliator in the world. I love it. I've been using it probably for 3 or 4 years now. It really helps to slough off the dead skin on my face. I also use it on my elbows and like knees, I guess. In my super scaly, dry, patchy areas. I don't use it as a mask. I literally just put it in my hand, you know. Rub it and rinse it off. You can use it as one though. Moving on. I have one of the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This is the bomb. Oh, there's a little bit left. Hang on. Oh. That was it. Okay. I just have some splotches. It's fine. This is lovely. You can buy Morphe obviously from the Morphe website or from Ulta. I bought mine at Ulta. These are fabulous. Why is every setting spray not an aerosol mist? It's lovely. It smells beautiful to me. It might not smell good to you, but it smells good to me. I really enjoy it. And once I work through some of the other setting sprays I have quite a few, I'm going to be repurchasing this because it is my favorite. I have one of the Onyx Professional Nail Dryer Sprays. And would you look at that? It's in the coconut scent. This is fine. I really like using it. Oh! Your nails don't even have to be wet to use it. A lot of the times when I would use this, my nails weren't even painted. It was just to help moisturize my cuticles because it does do that. Yeah. It's lovely. I don't know about making my nails dry faster, but it certainly moisturizes my cuticles and makes me feel better about my life. So that is why I use it. I do already have another canister of this. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. This makes me sad. This is the Kat Von D Lock It Foundation. Mine is in the shade Light 42, which is literally the palest shade. I have held on to this for way longer than I should have for memories. This was the first high-end foundation I ever bought. I bought it from Sephora. It made all my dreams come true. I used to be a huge Kat Von D fan, and I mean, like, I freaking loved her. Like, I've definitely deleted the video, but on my old YouTube, I did have a Kat Von D makeup look where I like literally drew on her face tattoos. I loved her. I thought she was, well, she still is beautiful. I thought she was beautiful. I loved her tattoo style, and then she came out with her makeup brand. Yeah, that's how old this is. She came out with a makeup brand, and I was like, oh, hell, I gotta buy everything. And then I went out and bought this, and you can see how full it is because I did not like it. It's very thick and drying, and obviously this is so expired. It's like all balled up and chunky. to be able to purchase a high-end foundation was like everything for little juvenile Jennifer. And I purchased it. I wore it a few times. The shade was off. The whole foundation, I just didn't like it. And I held on to it for so long because the packaging is gorgeous. And yeah. Oh my god. It's good for 12 months. And I've literally had it since it launched. So there's that. This is just super expired. It's only been in my collection for so long because memories. The Milani Make It Dewy Setting Spray. This is not empty. I'm getting rid of this because this is actual oil that you spray on your face. It is disgusting. I hate this spray so much. I've kept it in my collection for far too long, like far longer than I needed to, because I wanted it to work. I wanted to find a way to like this, and I could not, and I hate it, and I'm gonna get rid of it. So we have some brow pencils. We have the Anastasia Brow Definer in Auburn. This is, the actual pencil is nothing special to me. I just really like the shade Auburn. I have since started using the Ulta knockoff of the Brow Definer in Auburn, and it is so much more red toned than this, and I have to tone it down with brow powder. So I will probably sadly repurchase that because I like the shade so much. The NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Taupe. Now I want to check everything. Okay, yeah, this one's actually empty. These are nice. I've kind of given up on these little fine pointed pencils and moved more into like a chisel tip situation, just because it helps me get my brows on way faster because, well, you guys have seen me without makeup a bajillion times and on my videos, and your girl don't have a lot of brow naturally. So the chisel tip helps me just get it done faster. And then we have a L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer in Dark Blonde. What the hell, this whole pencil just broke. Okay, I don't really remember liking or hating this a ton. I can't remember either way, but I probably wouldn't repurchase it. We have an e.l.f. Daily Brush Cleaner. I am not going to be repurchasing this. This is what I've used forever and a day. And I found this Equate Beauty Instant Cleansing Spray that is so much better, so I probably would not repurchase that. We have another of my shampoos. I go through shampoo way faster than I go through a conditioner because most of the time I'm using a conditioning mask or a leave-in treatment or something like that. We have, I'm sorry I'm farther away, we have a Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in Fair. I love that. That's probably my favorite colored loose powder that I've tried. I will be repurchasing it. I'm trying to work through a lot of the makeup I have and a lot of the skincare products that I've had that I've like accrued over so many years that I need to, no, not years, but you know what I mean. I'm trying to work through some more of my products before I just go out lollygagging and buying more shit. We have a Bath & Body Works Georgia Peach and Sweet Tea Fine Fragrance Mist. You don't smell sweet tea, it's literally just peach spray. There's that for you. It smelled fine. I'm more of a berry, vanilla, coconutty thing. A Wet n Wild Beauty Sponge. This is my new one. This is my old one. These are fabulous. I don't like actual beauty blenders because I like having this flat edge. Don't know why. It makes me feel better. There's a hair in my mouth. So I obviously have repurchased that. They're very, very affordable. Dermalogical Special Cleansing Gel. I actually bought this in a travel size duo with the pre-cleanse gel stuff oil because Lex from Made You Look was talking about how she uses this combo to wash her face and get off all that heavy Halloween makeup she be doing all the time. And I don't really care for the cleanser, but I do like the gel, or not the gel, the like pre-cleanse. I still have some left. I'm gonna purchase the full size. We have a Physicians Formula Eye Booster in Ultra Black. If you've been watching my videos, y'all know it's my favorite eyeliner ever. It's very black, very easy to use. It's very user friendly. I enjoy it. LA Girl Pro Concealer in Porcelain. Obviously, this is not empty. I'm getting rid of it because it is expired. Same thing with this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in Brightener. This was my ride or die concealer for so long. I'm actually going to repurchase it when I work through some of these concealers. I have a problem, but I am going to buy this again when I get through some of these other concealers because I do remember really, really liking this and I want to see if it holds up or if I'm tripping and making shit up in my mind. A NYX HD concealer in lavender. This is literally so old and the expiration is 6 months, so it's definitely older than that. That is super nice. It's really good for brightening under your eyes. Blistex lip serum. If you guys have been watching this channel for a while, this was my perfect lip moisturizer. It was thin, it was silky, it moisturized well, it was beautiful. I loved it. I ran out of it and I can't find it anywhere. I'm pissed. If I find it again, I'm gonna repurchase it. Don't you worry. We have 2 of the Sally Hansen Insta Dries in Back to Black. 99% of the time, if my nails are painted, they are painted black. Even when I go and get my nails did, they are most of the time black. If they're not black, then they're super dark red. This is awesome. It's one of my favorite nail polishes in general, but I like black nail polish, so I already have a new one of these. Wet n Wild Dual Ended Contour Stick in light/medium. This is just hella expired and dried up. Like, it ain't good. So getting rid of that. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I bought this because everyone said it was awesome. Everyone said this was awesome. It was amazing. It was the best mascara you were ever going to use. It was better than sex. And it is not, in my opinion. I don't like it that much. It's a very wet formula. I had to let it dry out for a minute before I could actually feasibly wear it. But I'm most of the time a waterproof mascara girl because this shit slid all over my face. It was ridiculous. It wasn't very black. It didn't do a lot for my lashes. I know it's like a cult classic favorite, but your girl just didn't like it. Okay, I'm sorry. This is the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Powder Foundation. Mine is in Fair Porcelain. Yeah. Mine was, I had already hit pan, and then obviously you can see it shattered and broke. Already got a new one. I don't really use it as a foundation. I mainly use it to set my face when I'm in a hurry, and it's lovely. Then we have a Rimmel Exaggerate Full Color Lip Pencil Lip Liner. This is an Easton Snob. Let me tell you how many of these I've gone through. This is all the way down to the nub. And I started buying this specific eyeliner in this specific color because of Nicole Guerrero. Does anyone remember when Nicole Guerrero was like hardcore into making makeup videos? Because I do. That's when I found her. I actually found her off of her red hair videos. But she used to always talk about this, and she stopped talking about drugstore stuff, a lot of drugstore stuff. She's mainly a high-end girl now. But this is an awesome lip liner. It's like the perfect everyday pinky nude shade. And she is 37 shades darker than I am, and I still like it. So I do recommend this. I do need to repurchase it. I love it. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It feels so weird to be talking to you guys about my trash, but I'm doing it for the tube. So if you guys enjoyed this video while you're watching, make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Sometimes more, sometimes less. We're having some issues because we're getting to the end of the school semester and anatomy is kicking my ass. So I'm going to get off here, stop rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.